and we hope that today we find the Musicalia Master Tonalog.
That can't be right. Is that a name?
Who made up that name? You? Really? You couldn't have called them Steve or Samantha? You had to think of the hardest name possible. Anywho, we are hoping today is the day we find the Musicalia, the flute player. At this time, I ask you all, will you be friends of the kingdom? I cannot hear you. Wonderful! Let us meet your newest friends.
Y'all ready for this?
Welcome the strongest, most fierce warrior in all the land. Bad guys run, villains are done, evil has never won. Put your hands together for Princess Josephine!
Hello, everyone. We are very happy to have you join us. And please, rest assured, I have secured the entire castle so that no bad guys may enter.
You know him! You love him! Let's all celebrate Prince Emilio!
Y'all ready for this?
Jamesington! This isn't for you! I'm so sorry, everybody. This is not the prince. It's only Jamesington, our trusty do-all helper of the castle. Everyone, please stand and celebrate the inspiration to all that inspire, the admiration to all that admire. He loves you all almost as much as he loves himself. Prince Emilio!
Thank you all for coming. Sister, can you please retrieve the fantastical flute? I am ready to become even more famous. I'm going to have so much fun with my perfect hair and super strength. My super strength. My super strong. Ah. Ah. Ow. 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 I loosened it up for you. Like I said, with my perfect hair, I am destined to play the fantastical flute correctly, and I will become the Musicalia Master Tonalog. What? Who thought of that name? Really? You couldn't have named them Paul or Susie? Jamesington, I need to freshen up. Where's my mirror? Bring me my mirror. Ooh, this is a good-looking mirror. Oh my, wait, now it's not a good-looking mirror. Now it is a good-looking mirror. Amazing. Uh-oh, now it isn't. Now it is. Now it isn't. Now it is. I'm just messing with you, Jamesington. We all know that I'm handsome. Hey, I know. Give me an H. Give me an A. Give me an N. Give me a T. No, wait, another N. No, wait, a 7? Forget it. Give me a headstone. Aw, thank you for noticing. See, the thing is, I'm handsome, and that is just fact. I wake up handsome.
You're
I'm sick.
son.
I'm handsome.
I can't see. Sire.
It is such a burden. Jamesington, There's no time to be playing. Get out of the pool. You have a lot of work to do. And where's my sister with the flute? Oh, she can be so annoying. She's always like, I'm good at everything, and I'm so smart, and I can protect the castle with my fighting. Well, I can fight too. I can kick, and I can bite, and I can judo. Ouch!
Why are you limping? You hurt your hand.
I don't know.
Brother, I present to you the fantastical flute.
It is so glorious. I cannot wait to become the Musicala Master Tonalar.
Excuse me? How did that even get created? You couldn't have called them Adam or Michelle?
Doesn't it look perfect in my hands? Tell us about it, Johnny! A fantastical flute is 16 inches of sacred wood forged over earthy fire and stone. To complete feather and full red details, you will be the talk of the town as you study letters of history books. You are the most fantastic, the fantastical flute
Prince, before you try to play the flute, I would like to make an announcement. The entertainment has arrived.
Thank you for having us, Prince Emilio. We have come from a faraway land to steal, see, the powerful, fantastical flute.
Yes, we very much want to take, look at this awesome power.
To all our new friends, I would like to introduce from the town of Lusket, the diving
Robberinis. Our name is the Diving Robberinis. Nothing to do with robbing. What? We're not robbing. We're not. What flute? Let's dive.
Yes! Let us welcome the Diving Rigatonis!
No, Robberinis.
Welcome, the Rumpelstiltskis!
Robberinis.
Welcome to Johnson's. Start the party.
Thank you, Prince. We're having a blast. We also hope to try the flute